So guys, warm welcome back. If you watched the wax stop video I made the other day, I did mention that I'd got the AVA P40 Go from Danny from It's All in the Detailing, and Steve Geeky Details was good enough to get hold of the AVA cannons to go with it. So today we're going to have a quick whip over this pressure washer. We'll talk a little bit about this 3 lance or 3 bottle system we've got going on for these lances. So the products we're going to use are going to be Alcafrost snowfoam, HD Pure and Pro Seal snowfoam sealant, all from Squid Ink, and we're going to use it in the 3 bottles and see, you know, can we get away with just doing a quick maintenance wash and protect with this system. Now, first things first, I really like the idea of these bottles. So, like I say, what all you need to do is just fill them up. They're all marked on the side, and there's like a little pyramid. I don't know if you can see that in the bottom to help you do your measurements, which is really nice. So all you're going to do is just fill all 3 of these up with the products that you're going to use, and just swap their head over for each individual bottle. So it's a really neat idea. So we're going to be doing it on the Tiglan, which is quite filthy. Give it a pre-wash, pre-rinse, Alcafrost snowfoam, let that dwell as long as possible to break down the soiling, and then yeah, we'll crack on, we'll get it washed, we'll get it protected, and yeah, we'll come back and we'll talk a little bit about this pressure washer and these cannons, because I haven't tried them yet. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and I'll yeah, let's roll. Alright, so the Alcafrost's on, just dwelling away now. We'll probably be able to give that about 10 minutes, dwells for ages. So, as in the name, Alcafrost, it's an alkaline snowfoam, so we're hoping it's going to tackle the majority of the traffic film on this car. It really hasn't been washed properly in maybe 6 to 8 weeks, something around that. So, first thoughts on this cannon: generates a lot of foam. Alcafrost is a very high foaming snow foam, but even through here it's absolutely superb. Would say it's a little bit thirsty though. I made up 500 ml of solution and I've easily used that, so I'll think about just cranking it back a little bit next time, just see if we can get a little bit more out of it. But that is set to full foam on the dial here. But yeah, so far so good. I'm loving the trigger as well. The machine's lovely and quiet as well. So yeah, it's all looking good so far. So let's leave this to dwell. We'll get this rinsed off and then we'll press on with shampoo stage. Alright, so as far as wash combos go, absolutely superb. The Lance has delivered quality foam with both products. They're both great products. That shampoo is one of the best shampoos I've ever used, and I really mean that. It smells of Parma violets as well, which is my guilty pleasure. So yeah, that's all washed. The sections on the car were showing lack of protection, the rear section, some down the sides. So this is where we're going to hit it with the Pro Seal in the Lance. So it's 1 to 4, I believe it is. So we've got 200ml of water, 50ml of product. We're going to get that applied, we get that rinsed off, and as you can see, it's chucking it down as usual. Great. So yeah, perfect for this kind of situation because we're going to get rained off. So yeah, let's get that done, and I'll catch you on the other side. Right, so that's us done. Rain nearly stopped play, but thankfully it's just been drizzling. So I think first up, let's have a quick talk about these products that we've used. So first one, Squid Ink Alcafroth even. Absolutely belting snow foam. Not one you want to be using on your maintenance washes, but anything really heavily soiled, dirty, bang, this is the one. They do a non-alkaline version, which is just called Froth, so that's perfect for your maintenance cleans. Shampoo, as said, probably one of the best shampoos I've ever used. It smells amazing. It's concentrated. It says to put 5 to 10ml in a large bucket, so really highly concentrated. And this Pro Seal, it's not. I've not actually used this before until today. I'm actually really impressed with it. So I've used very little to this car, and the protection, the gloss, everything. It looks superb. Really chuffed with that. Great product. So as a trio of products, to get, obviously I did the wheels first, but to get the bodywork done with them 3 products, they were all absolutely banging. Like, I would pick them up over most products every day, so really impressed with them. Alright, so next up, the AVA cannon. So yeah, this is a great bit of kit. Really like it. It's been a week of great snowfoam cannons on it. First one was the V Tough one, and then this. But what I really like about it is the 3 bottles, so you can sort of set everything up beforehand, put all your products diluted into the bottles. They've got lids on them, so you can just put the lids on, and then you can just pick them up as you're going along the car and just swap them over onto the Lance head. Absolutely fantastic idea from AVA. They do some chemical products as well to be used in, that you can use in this system. So similar to this snowfoam shampoo and then a sealant. And I believe, I've not actually got them, I believe they're all dilutable at 1:9, so they're really simple to just put 100 ml in and then top it up to a litre. And all the markings are on the side of these, and obviously you've got that little thing in the bottom there. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And then the machine, I'm not going to try and pick the machine up. What I'll do is I'll try and bring the camera down to it. Take the camera to the machine. Alright, so this machine, if you can see it, let me just try and tilt the camera there. I don't know if you can see it right well, but so this is the AVA P40 Go. So it's the lightweight, small, easy to manoeuvre around unit. So I believe the P40 is the size motor it's got inside. So they do, I think, a P40, a P60, which is a little bit more power. I think this one's 120 bar, if memory serves me right. And it's absolutely blooming fantastic. What a machine this is. It's really quiet, great delivery. The trigger, so this is the new version trigger. I've not used the old one, this is a new one. This superb. It's just really easy to work with, and obviously when you put your lances and your nozzles in the end, you can lock them in so they don't come off. And it comes with, so you get your turbo nozzle, but you can only use that on the extendable lance, so I didn't need to use that today. But it comes with this nozzle, and this one does two different angles. So I think it's a 20 degree and 60 degree for rinsing. So yeah, really good idea, and everything just stores away dead nice in the side of it. This one's come with a longer hose, so I've got the original hose and a longer one. I've just been using a longer one, which is absolutely ideal for us. I think the shorter one probably be a little bit small, but you can manoeuvre the machine around because it's not really heavy or anything like that. Storage is good, the cable goes inside there. Yeah, what a cracking little machine. The other thing I liked about it as well is it's really easy to bleed, so you obviously connect the water supply to it, leave it switched off and just pull the trigger, get any air out of it. But it like just took a couple of seconds, whereas the Karch K2 I was using previously, it took ages to bleed the water out of it. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this machine. And obviously this week I've tried the V-Tough V5. That's a lot more powerful than this, and a real top quality machine. But this thing is absolutely spot on for price point and manoeuvrability, etc. It's a really nice little machine, and certainly something I'm going to be using plenty of this. That is for certain, because I love how easy it is. It's all very user friendly. Also, the other thing about AVA is I believe all the parts and the service parts and stuff are available for these machines for you to fix yourself, and I think it's under a scheme called Right to Repair. The idea is to keep the longevity of these products up, rather than us using them for a couple of years and then binning them when they don't work no more. So love that idea that these machines can be used and repaired and kept going for longer, and better for the environment. So yeah, all in all, it's been a successful day, and the car's finished. I've not dressed the tyres or cleaned the glass or anything like that because the weather's just not playing ball as usual. But like I say, them three products, I would suggest if Squid Ink don't already do them in a 3-part kit, to make that available on the website, because honestly I can guarantee that if you haven't tried them 3 products, if you get them, you will love them. They're absolutely fantastic. And Squid Ink as a company are superb, going from strength to strength. Michael's a great guy, and it's great to see him doing really well. So, big up Michael, give him an order, try him out, and I promise you won't be disappointed. So yeah, thanks for watching. And before I go, I just wanted to mention a few weeks back, I made a post about a competition and I'm still in the process of doing it, of figuring out how I'm going to go ahead with it. But the prize to win at this moment in time is going to be a 200ml ODK Lunacy 9 wax, which is an absolute great piece. It's a bit of a collector's item as well. So up to now, that's in the competition winnings. There's going to be some more stuff to go in with it. But yeah, I'm going to devise that competition. We'll get that going in the next couple of weeks. So yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great weekend.